Canada is more than just a vast expanse on a map. It's a work of art, sometimes painted in snow, and other times in the warm colors of autumn. Canada is a haven where the tranquility of crystal clear lakes meets the majestic grandeur of the towering Rocky Mountains. It is a place that teaches you that peace has colors, from the white of snow to the red of maple leaves falling on the streets of Montreal and Vancouver. Canada is not just a land, but an idea that brings the whole world together in one mosaic, where differences are respected and bridges are built instead of walls. Despite the harsh winter cold, the warmth of smiles and welcome in the hearts of Canadians makes the frost a warm and pleasant experience. Is the only country that knows how to make diversity a source of strength and the cold a reason for bonding. It is the land that opens its arms to strangers, so that in a short time they become part of its fabric, where one is not asked about their origin, but about the dreams they wish to achieve. Despite the harsh cold, winter in Canada has a special charm. Cities are covered with a pure white mantle, and homes are lit with the warmth of family and hot drinks, so that every window becomes a warm story in the face of frost. It Its turquoise lakes, such as Lake Louise, are not just water. They are mirrors reflecting the purity and tranquility of the Canadian spirit, where the noise of the world disappears and nature speaks for itself. In its polar skies, the green lights, the aurora, dance to tell the world that true beauty resides in quiet and remote places. It is not just a symbol on a flag, but a symbol of giving. Just as trees give sugar syrup, Canada gives every ambition a chance to grow. Canada is not just a destination on a map, but a unique human experience that blends the majesty of nature with the nobility of principles. There's a unique tranquility in the Canadian atmosphere. Life unfolds with grace, and order is respected not out of fear, but out of a love for quality of life. It's a country that teaches you that humanity is the highest value. Warmth of hearts in the deepest frost. Even though its winters may freeze everything, the hearts of Canadians remain warm. You feel this in their gentle sorry, and their constant willingness to help and lend a hand. When autumn arrives, Canada transforms into a kingdom of gold and purple. Maple leaves fall like colorful love letters, carpeting the roads and giving the cities a touch of classic romance. Have you ever dreamed of a place that combines the hustle and bustle of modern cities with the tranquility of unspoiled nature? Canada is more than just a country. It's a poem written by winter and painted by autumn in shades of gold. From Niagara Falls, whispering of the Creator's magnificence, to the Rocky Mountains that embrace the clouds, and its streets that warmly welcome people of all nationalities despite the frost. Canada is a land of opportunity and a home of peace. In Canada, you'll learn that beauty isn't just about scenery, but about the spirit that respects humanity and values dreams. If you're a travel enthusiast and aspire to discover the most beautiful corners of the planet, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to join us on our upcoming journeys. Hit the like button if you dream of visiting Canada someday. Turn on notifications to be the first to see our new stories from the heart of nature.